Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Bilt Credit Card's durability. We'll dive into its unique construction, which features a metal core, and discuss how this impacts its resistance to daily wear. Understanding the card's physical properties is key to ensuring its longevity. We'll cover practical tips to help you keep your Bilt card in excellent shape for years to come, avoiding common issues like bending or scratching. Our drop tests involved releasing the Bilt card from heights ranging from 3 feet to 5 feet, simulating common accidental drops. We used various surfaces, including hardwood, concrete, and carpet, to assess its resilience. Each drop was meticulously documented, focusing on potential damage like dents, scratches, or bending. This rigorous testing provides a clear picture of how well the card withstands everyday impacts. After numerous drops, the Bilt card demonstrated impressive durability. On hard surfaces like concrete, we observed only minor cosmetic scratches, primarily on the edges. Crucially, there was no structural damage, bending, or functional impairment. The card's robust metal core proved highly effective in absorbing impact, maintaining its integrity even after multiple falls from 5 feet. This indicates strong everyday resilience. To maximize your Bilt card's lifespan, always store it in a dedicated wallet slot, away from keys or other abrasive items. While durable, gentle handling helps prevent unnecessary wear. If cleaning is needed, a soft, dry cloth is sufficient. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your Bilt credit card remains in pristine condition, performing reliably for all your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.